Hi class, great to meet you all. We are the group NewGen. My name is Hwangyu and the other partner is Suhee. We are in South Korea. Yes, 15-hour distance by flight to the class. This is my room here in Korea. This is exciting because we can talk together like I'm right in front of you. Well, I'm going to start this lecture and Suhee will teach after me. We have 4 parts. So I'm going to take first and third parts and Suhee will take the other 2. Today we are going to talk about the paper Opinion Observer, analyzing and comparing opinions on the web. But we are not going to only focus on the content from this paper. During the pre-meeting, our professor said this was only paper talking about data extraction in this class. So we are going to cover more general ideas than just talking about this paper. Our presentation is consisted of 4 parts. First, I'm going to talk about what is the motivation of emerging opinion mining. Then Suhee will cover explanation of opinion mining and techniques, and I'm going to discuss the content about the paper Opinion Observer itself, and more specifically opinion mining ideas in this paper. Finally, Suhee will summarize all the contents. Okay, let's get started. Before we go to the content of the first part, let's discuss this for a while. This question is pretty simple but interesting. And please stop this video clip right after I read this question. How do you research online the product you are thinking of buying? What is the biggest challenge to search for useful information on the internet? Thank you for your discussion. It is needless to say how important customer feedback is. It can be an excellent way to keep your business going in positive direction if you listen to it. Then what is the feedback anyway? Basically, it is an opinion review about a certain object. Traditionally, how did people get opinion reviews from customers? They used a formal or informal phone survey, mailing or visiting customers' house or a mall like this picture. It needed a lot of effort and physical jobs. That's why a result of past forest research said the most shocking finding is that nearly 1 out of every 4 executives said they seldom or never done customer feedback to change a business process. Getting feedback isn't that easy. How about as a customer? When people buy a product, how did they research traditionally? They asked other people as well. But that information could be highly biased or too subjective. It is not easy to get proper opinion review of a desired product easily. But now, the world has changed a lot. These days, many people write information, especially opinions on the web, like we discussed with question number 1. Now, web is like a treasure chest of opinion reviews. Then, also, this survey result is actually shocking. This says 20% of people did yesterday doing research online a product they are thinking of buying. So it became like a life. They are reading reviews before buying a product. But it is not easy still, because there's too much information and it is rapidly increasing even now. We've fully talked about the difficulties about this during the previous discussion. So what if we have a system like this? From the web, we can get all the text, then we can refine it like extracting only opinions and show it with visualization. That will be very useful to everyone, both customers and producers. This is the technique we can call opinion mining. More specifically, opinion mining is a type of natural language processing for tracking the mood of the public about a particular product. It is a huge paradigm shift of marketing intelligence and product benchmarking for producers. As for customers, it is effective time and effort saving technologies when they research online about a product. The research about opinion mining has been more than 10 years. If you look at the Google search result, it says there are 168 million results out there. It is amazing. For us, it was shameful that we hadn't heard of it before this class. So for us, this class was a great chance to know about it well. Yeah, of course, it is always fun knowing about new stuff, but it's even more fun sharing the new stuff with the smart students like you. I'd like to share our ideas with you all based on our preparation. I think there are some project subjects using some of the skills that might use some of the skills we are going to mention in this class. So please discuss with us actively. Alright, this was talking about the motivation of emerging opinion mining. Then what is the opinion mining? So we will take this lecture from now.